Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Faye, and I'm ready to take a new and exciting challenge with you. I have a 6 year BPO experience, 3 years of which is a team lead for a serve to sell segment. Prior to that, I have been mostly involved in the admin and management team of the operations department of various businesses. The knowledge and skills which I have acquired all through the years are the utilization of MS Office applications, Avaya, CRM or the single view as what we call it, CTI, IEX scheduling, and many more. I am also a certified virtual leader and handled on site and off site agents. With almost 24 years of work experience, both local and abroad, I will definitely stand out with the skills and knowledge that I have acquired all these years from the various industries that I have worked with. It is the strong work ethic that I have in me, starting with the reliability, integrity, and the value for the business that will definitely make me stand out. Most importantly, it is my passion for learning is what keeps me going. With this short video, I am looking forward for you to consider my application. The rest of my credentials are in my resume, and I hope to hear from you soon, all right? Bye for now. Thank you.